Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, May 1st, 2023. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. You can see the green line is moving up. It's going to be up throughout the day today. It's going to be turning down near the end of the day session. Right here, that's about 5 o'clock. You can see the upward trend, and then we had a little sideways to down drift, and then back up again compared to the green line below. It's a little bit out of phase. That happens sometimes. It'll run out of phase, but we'll show the pattern. So at 16:20, the green line reverses down. It's down all the way into the end of the day session on Wednesday. Then it's sideways into 30 and turns up at 10 a.m. Thursday morning, and then it's up until early morning, about 5:30 a.m. Friday, then a slight downdrift for the rest of Friday. Blue line spikes coming today. Not till this evening, 1925. We have one tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. Then about 9:45, another spike at 14:30 in the afternoon. And then in the night evening session at 22:30. Then on the 3rd we have a spike high at 5:30 a.m. And then 1800 on Wednesday, spike high 2200 hours Wednesday. And then on the 4th, low at 5:20. And the last important spike of the week is 1826 on Thursday the 4th. So we've got good trend movement outside the 10 lines, up and then down. That usually is going to give us a more reliable indication than when we are walking inside the 10 lines. So right now we're on track. We'll see how it plays out.